Hello guys, so how are you today? Guys, tell me that why don't it feels that you are progressing? Like in my case, if I tell you about myself, what I expected from on my day first, I expected that maybe till day 50, I would have improved some, like I would have improved. I would have a better fluency. I can communicate better. I can speak better English. I can have meaningful thoughts. I can then after on day 50 or after that I will not have a blank mind while talking in front of video. But this didn't happen till now. Like while making the video I used to go blank a lot of time, like a lot of time. And you know what, slowly it's feeling like that I am not progressing. Like the program don't is not seeing, it's not seemed by me, cause I am as the same person. I think I am as the same person who was on the day first. Same thing, same fluency, same communication skill, same thought process, and everything is same. And this is very disappointing. Like as I told you that I am still struggling in these things, in fluency, in communication, thought process. And the main thing in which I am struggling is thought processing. Like my thoughts, I don't know, I do have thoughts or I don't have thoughts. But when I used to make videos, my mind goes blank. Like there is nothing to speak. There is nothing to tell. There is nothing to speak about the thing which I am going to tell in the topic which I am going to take down. So, like as you are watching this video, okay, I had tried a lot of, I had took a lot of takes to record this also. My sometime when I used to speak, suddenly my mind goes blank and I just don't know what to speak. Then I have to repeat that thing again and again. Then this happens with me a lot of time. From it was happening on with me on day first also, and it's happening now only. Now also. So basically I don't think that I had improved. Like I the progress is not uh, countable, or it's not very interrogable, whatever it is. So and my if I tell about my English, it's not good at all. It's kind of very basic English, okay. And my fluency, that is also not good, and my communication, that is also not good. But I think one thing that I had noticed, which is my confidence has had boosted a little. Like if I tell you, if you will see my day first video, day second video, I think I am speaking better, I'm confident than my first video. Like if you will go on my first video, that was self maxing, like this kind of thing was that. And I think I'm better in confidence compared to first day. So maybe in other thing I had not improved. I am still the same person I was at day one, but I think I had improved little on my confidence. And I want that with my thought processing too. Like I want my English fluency, I want my communication, I want my thought processing be better. And the biggest problem I think I am facing right now is thought processing. Cause I used to, if you notice my video, I used to repeat the thing again and again. Like I know what to speak, but I can't able to speak because forgot that what I have to speak. Like right on the place when in the front of camera, what I have to speak, I don't just what I used to think in my mind, it goes blank. And I don't like, yes, there's one also thing I forgot what to say. So basically what I was telling you, that people used to get improved in 50th video. I had seen a lot of people to improving, but I am still at the same level. I don't know why it's happening. So if I tell you that what progress means to me, that will be I will tell you that don't be a totally different person you are right now. You don't have to be a totally different person you are right now. So basically you have to become slightly better, or you have to become much better than the person you are right now. Don't change totally, but become a totally better person. Like, if take my example, I don't want to become someone who is speaking great. Just I have to become better than I was on day first. So basically you don't have to become the totally different person. Just make a change in yourself. Just be better than you were on the first day. And same goes it with me. Like, I think when progress seems when you are doing better on something, it's not being changed in something. So just try to improve as I am doing. And I think the most important thing which I have to improve is now my thought processing. Like, I don't have a lot of thoughts in my mind. I Maybe it's because I don't have a lot of experience, or maybe I my mind goes blank, or maybe I don't have thoughts. I don't know. But the problem is with my thoughts, and after that my communication, and after that my English. So basically the main priority of mine is thought processing, and I'm gonna improve that. So this is the ending part of this, and ignore my voice, cause because I am sick right now, and my throat is paining right now. and and if I tell you about myself, that I don't think that I had improved as I was thinking that I will improve on my day 50. Somewhere maybe I had improved, but it don't feels like I had improved. Cause maybe your progress don't seems to yourself. Maybe it can, it can be seen by other people. That's why I'm recording this video. That's why I'm recording daily, cause I have to improve my communication, I have to improve my English. And the most the most, you know the most priority which I will give is my thought processing. So I have to, I have to build this, I have to improve this. So tell me in the comments that where should I improve. No, how can I improve? If you are better than me, then you can suggest me what things I am lacking, what where I am lacking. And if you are not better than me, and believe me, you can better than me, you will be. If you will try, definitely you are gonna better with me, yes, better with me. So just try daily, just improve daily. That is what I am also doing. Also I am doing also. Yeah, just ignore my English, okay? It's very weird. So I think that is for today. See you in the next video. Sayonara.